For years, one company has sat at the center of the world's most advanced chip manufacturing industry. From Apple's iPhone to AI servers powering ChatGPT, the vast majority of cutting-edge chips have flowed through the single giant, TSMC. But now, a major challenger is making its move. And if successful, it could reset the global balance of power in the semiconductor industry. Here's what happened. US chipmaker Intel has officially pushed its next generation Intel 18A-P manufacturing process into risk production. Now, risk production doesn't mean mass production yet. It means the technology has reached a stage where real chips can begin rolling off production lines for testing and validation before large scale commercial deployment. In simple terms, Intel has crossed one of the most important technical checkpoints on the road of competing with the world's most advanced chip foundries, and the timing couldn't be bigger. Reports indicate the major technology companies, including Apple and Google, are evaluating the technology. At the same time, Intel has deepened cooperation with UMC to strengthen its foundry ambitions and expand advanced manufacturing capabilities. This isn't just another production launch, it's a direct challenge to TSMC's dominance. Why this matters? Most people think the AI race is about companies building chatbots, GPU, or AI models, but the real battle begins much earlier. It starts in the factories that manufacture the chips. Whoever controls advanced semiconductor production controls a critical piece of modern economy. From smartphones and cloud computing to defense system and artificial intelligence, everything depends on advanced silicon. For years, the world's most advanced manufacturing capacity has been heavily concentrated in Taiwan. That concentration has worried governments, defense planners, and multinational corporations. A disruption in one region could impact global technology supply chains overnight. Intel's progress offers something many Western governments have been demanding: a geographical diversified source of advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Here's how the money flow. The financial implications are enormous. The next decade is expected to generate roughly $170 billion in AI-driven enterprise, CPU and GPU demand. Most headlines focus on AI accelerator, but there is another opportunity hiding beneath the surface. Data centers still rely on massive numbers of traditional server processors. Every cloud provider, enterprise network, government agency, and financial institution runs workload that requires powerful CPUs. Intel's future products, including its upcoming Diamond Rapids Xeon platform, are designed to target exactly this market. That means Intel isn't only fighting for AI chips, it's fighting for the infrastructure layer underneath the entire digital economy. If Intel can convince customers that its manufacturing technology is competitive, it could capture a meaningful share of future server, cloud, and enterprise spending. Here's who's the winners and losers. The winners could be Western technology companies seeking alternative manufacturing partners. Government looking for secure domestic supply chains could also benefit. Defense contractors, cloud infrastructure provider, and enterprise hardware manufacturers gain access to additional sourcing points. The biggest risk falls on companies and supply chains that depends too heavily on a single manufacturing region. As government increasingly push for localized semiconductor production, geographic diversification is becoming a competitive advantage rather than just a risk management strategy. What's the hidden angle here? Here's what many people are missing. Investors are obsessed with AI accelerator, but the next massive profit pool may come from something less exciting. Server upgrades. Every AI application ultimately runs inside a data center, and every data center requires networking equipment, storage system, memory, and powerful CPUs. Intel's manufacturing push is designed to position the company at the center of that infrastructure upgrade cycle. The AI boom may grab the headlines, but the supporting hardware ecosystem could become one of the most largest technology spending webs of the decade. Key takeaway. For years, TSMC has been the undisputed king of advanced chip manufacturing. Now Intel is attempting something few thought possible, building a serious alternative. The move into 18A-P risk production is more than a technical milestone. It's a strategic signal, a signal that the future semiconductor industry may no longer revolve around a single manufacturing powerhouse. Because in the age of AI, the most valuable company isn't always the one designing the chip. Sometimes it's the one manufacturing them.